Hi, I'm Steve Richardson. One of the common contributing factors to divorce here in New Jersey is financial difficulty. A couple fights over money, bills, marriage breaks down, and they end up in divorce. Which is why oftentimes bankruptcy can be a good part of your overall divorce strategy, because you can wipe out the marital debt and move on and resolve other issues like custody, visitation, alimony or child support, that sort of thing. But you can get the marital debt off the table as far as the issues are concerned. But what happens if you want to file bankruptcy, you realize it's the best thing to do, and you want to do it, but your spouse doesn't? Maybe you've been able to keep up the minimum payments, and your spouse has a good credit score and doesn't want to damage that score by filing bankruptcy, so they don't want to file. What do? Well, the answer is file without him, saying, okay, you don't want to file, I'll file by myself. It's cheaper if we both file, and it takes care of the whole overall financial picture, because married couples can file a joint bankruptcy. But if you don't want to file bankruptcy, fine, I'll do it without you. But if you're going to do that, a couple things to bear in mind. First of all, a divorce judge, a family law judge, may well still make you responsible for marital debt. So you filed bankruptcy, you've discharged your responsibility to the creditor, but your spouse is still responsible because it's joint debt. And the divorce judge says, well, you're going to be responsible for paying the marital debt to hold your soon-to-be ex-spouse harmless. So that can be an issue. You still may not be out of the woods on that. So you need to bear that in mind. The other thing to bear in mind, your spouse, is creditors don't care. They can't go after you anymore. You filed bankruptcy, but they can go after your spouse and still come after that person to be paid. They don't care that a family law judge has said that you're going to be responsible and you're going to pay that debt and hold that other spouse harmless. They don't care. Creditor wants their money. So your spouse needs to recognize that reality and should think about that as far as whether they join you into bankruptcy. So if you're getting divorced here in southern New Jersey, and there are a lot of marital debt, financial issues that may be well addressed in bankruptcy, please feel free to give my office a call. Be happy to sit down with you, discuss your situation, and see whether bankruptcy is right for you.